Lite with Ann. We're going to be doing something for Valentine's Day and that special person in your life. Okay, today we're doing California chicken with lemon. Welcome to Cooking Light with Ann. These are the carrots, the petite carrots of various colors. They really look nice, and when you cook them, they retain their color. So we're going to add olive oil, and you can find these carrots in most stores, grocery stores. Then for fun, we're going to add bourbon, and maple syrup. And to make it really nice, we're going to add thyme. Getting thyme, lots of it. The more the merrier. A quick rinse. And salt and pepper. And we're going to do the thyme. Toss them and turn them. Rock and roll. We have our baking pan. We have our parchment paper in place. Olive oil again. And just spray. We need to set the oven. And the time will be 20 minutes. But it has to warm up. So the next thing we need to do is take your trusty little bowl. When the oven's ready, we'll put them in for 20 minutes. And somebody said, what are carrots good for? Well, they're good for your eyes. I can't see the carrots. Where are they? Oh, there they are. They're good for fiber, potassium, calcium, vitamin C. And yes, you'll see longer in your life. Everybody has lemons in their backyard. We're gonna cut the lemon thinly. You're gonna be eating the chicken and the lemon. We're gonna be doing chicken breast that I've cut up, and Italian parsley is gonna be in it. Chicken broth, wine, gotta have wine. And we're gonna do more lemons. Half of it needs to get squeezed because it's going in the sauce. And there's different ideas how to do this lemon. We used to do it like this until a friend said, do it upside down. There we go. The next step is salt and pepper, granulated garlic, avocado oil, chicken broth, and gold medal. Believe it or not, this is better for you, and it's lighter when you're eating it. So, gold medal. Okay, here's our chicken. We're gonna put it on our wood cutting board. And I've cut them, the chicken breasts, I've cut them in half, cut them again, and we're just gonna put them out here so we can season them. Because today we have a crowd. My favorite gift, salt grinder. It has a light on it, so you can do this in the dark. Now the garlic powder, put that on. Okay, we're gonna put flour on the cutlets, chicken breast, because we're gonna be sauteing them lightly. Well, it gives it a layer of flavor. We're doing layers of flavor. And then a little pat goes a long way. So now we're gonna flip it because you gotta do both sides. Salt, garlic. Garlic fights cancer, so get eating garlic. Now the flour, you can just sprinkle it on. Okay, and now we're into patting. So now moving right along, we get 3 eggs. Okay, we're gonna put this over here with our pan. Use some avocado oil. Give it a little swish. So we're gonna take our chicken and lightly put this . We're moving on up. Okay, so we're gonna put a couple of teaspoons in here and added it to some water, about 1.5 cups. And we added the lemon juice. And now, another friend gave me some white wine. Friends of mine know what I like. We're adding 2 tablespoons of flour. Okay, it's time to take the carrots out. And they look fabulous. And they smell fabulous. I can smell the bourbon, the maple syrup, the thyme. Yeah. And now we're gonna add so much there and the rest. Yeah, we can smell the wine. Okay, so now what we're lacking, of course, is the salt. And now comes the lemons. And now it's time to add the butter, Italian butter. One pat for that one. Okay, we're going with the Italian parsley. So we're gonna take some and cut it. So the finale is putting the Italian parsley. And I like a lot of herbs, so looks pretty yummy to me. And some carrots. And that, my friend, is cooking light with Ann on Valentine's Day. Kisses to everybody. Bye now, till the next time.